Ah, the allure of pristine beaches, a true testament to nature's artistry. Today, we embark on a journey across the globe to explore the best beaches the world has to offer. Each one, a masterpiece of sand and sea, is an invitation to tranquility and adventure. Let us begin our voyage with some of the most breathtaking coastal treasures. Our first stop takes us to the ethereal shores of Grace Bay, located on the Turks and Caicos Islands. This Caribbean gem is renowned for its powdery white sands and crystal clear turquoise waters. Grace Bay consistently ranks among the world's best beaches, offering a serene escape for those seeking solace in the warmth of the sun. As sunlight dances across the water, visitors can indulge in snorkeling adventures, exploring vibrant coral reefs that teem with marine life. Next, we journey to the idyllic beaches of Fernando de Noronha in Brazil. An archipelago treasured as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it boasts stunning natural beauty. Among its crown jewels is Baia do Sancho, often hailed as the finest beach in Brazil, if not the world. Enclosed by towering cliffs and lush vegetation, Baia do Sancho offers a sanctuary for those yearning to connect with nature. Take a moment to immerse yourself in its emerald waters, where dolphins frolic and experience the pure magic that this secluded paradise provides. Leaving South America behind, we cross the vast Pacific to the pristine shores of Bora in French Polynesia. This enchanting island is famed for its overwater bungalows and vibrant coral reefs. Matira Beach, in particular, enchants visitors with its soft sands and tranquil lagoon. Bask in the sun's golden embrace or embark on an exploration of the underwater wonders. From colorful fish to majestic rays, the marine life here creates a breathtaking underwater tapestry. We then venture to the Indian Ocean, where the Maldives entice travelers with their spectacular beauty. Among its many offerings, Vandhoo Island stands out as a haven of serenity. This small, picturesque island is surrounded by crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The sight of the sun setting over the horizon, casting hues of orange and pink across the sky, is an experience that lingers in the memory long after the journey ends. Our final destination transports us to Australia, where Whitehaven Beach in the Whitsundays captivates with its pure white silica sand. This 7-kilometre stretch of coastline is renowned for its serene beauty and environmental significance. As the tide shifts, swirling patterns emerge in the sand, creating an ever-changing canvas. The untouched wilderness provides a stark contrast to the vibrant marine life beneath the azure waters. These beaches, each unique and enchanting, remind us of the natural wonders that await our exploration. As we conclude our global tour, we are left with a sense of awe for the world's coastal masterpieces. They invite us to pause, appreciate, and protect the delicate ecosystems that these beaches represent. Whether seeking solitude, adventure, or simply a moment of peace, these beaches offer a window into the planet's magnificent beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May these coastal paradises inspire your future travels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.